God. I'm finally doing a YouTube video. Finally doing a YouTube video. Anyways, let's start this. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm finally here in this little box, this little house we got going on here. I'm making this video to introduce myself and my channel. My name is Matilda and my YouTube name is MakeupMattie. You can also follow me on Instagram at Mattie3, M-A-T-T-I-3, and on Snapchat, M-A-T-T-I-E. I was born and raised in Chat-Mattie, Ghana. Shout out to my Ghanaians, but I currently live in New Jersey. The reason why I'm starting my YouTube channel is because I love makeup and I wanted to show people how to do different techniques, show how people to do different looks. So if you want to see that, please don't forget to subscribe. Most of my channel is also going to be about makeup and fashion. Few things that you should know about me. I'm usually shy. I hate winter. I like to surround myself with people that makes me laugh, people that brings positive vibe into my life. I'm terrified of heights. I love shopping, and obviously I love makeup. I'm looking forward to have fun with you guys, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on some of the giveaways that I'm gonna do. I'm trying to make this video brief, so if you have any questions, please comment below and I'll answer them.